Well, tension has gripped parts of Old Delhi in the early hours of Wednesday as civic authorities, supported by heavy police deployment, carried out a midnight anti-encroachment drive near Ramlila Maidan at Turkman Gate. Now, the Municipal Corporation of Delhi had initiated demolition action near the Fazl-e-Ilahi Masjid area, acting on clear directions from the Delhi High Court to remove long-standing encroachments on public land. The drive, originally scheduled to begin at 8 in the morning, was advanced to around 1:30 a.m. with officials citing security as well as logistical considerations. During the course of the demolition, sections of the crowd attempted to disrupt the operation by pelting stones at police personnel deployed at the site. Law enforcement agencies responded with controlled use of tear gas to disperse the mob and prevent any escalation of the violence. Senior police officials later said that the situation was brought under control swiftly and that normalcy was restored in the area. Security was subsequently tightened as a precautionary measure. Authorities clarified that no documentary proof of ownership or lawful possession had been submitted by the managing committee or the Delhi Waqf Board for the encroached land. The High Court had earlier granted civic agencies a 3-month deadline to clear the nearly 39,000 square feet of encroachments at the Ramlila ground, including portions of the roads, footpaths, commercial structures, parking areas and other public utilities.
He told कि we will go with the demolition. तो हम लोग इधर आया, आने के बाद 150 के आसपास लोग इधर इकट्ठा हुआ. Majority of the people were just curious to know like what is happening. तो हम लोग उनको बता दिया कि आप लोग इधर से चले जाओ, ये कानून की कोर्ट की ऑर्डर है, कोर्ट की ऑर्डर भी दिखाए. तो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल वहाँ से चले गया. 25-30 लोग जो थे उस जो स्ट्रीट है वहाँ स्ट्रीट से फिर इन्होंने पुलिस के ऊपर पत्थर मार दिए. उसका वीडियोस भी अभी सोशल मीडिया में है, अगर आपको नहीं मिला तो मैं भेज दूंगा. ठीक है. उसके बाद पुलिस को रिटेलिएशन में वी हैड टू यूज फोर्स. उसमें एक्चुअली फोर्स को यूज करके हमने उनको पुश किया. पुश करने के बाद उनको वहां से पुश करने के बाद वी स्टार्टेड द डेमोलिशन. इस प्रोसेस में जब पत्थर फेंका, उस पत्थर फेंकने के प्रोसेस में 5 पुलिसकर्मी इंजर्ड है और इनको हॉस्पिटल में लेके गया एंड देयर इंजरीज आर माइनर इन नेचर.
सर, स्टोन पेल्टिंग केस में क्या कोई एफआईआर हुआ है, कोई डिटेन?
वी हैव रजिस्टर्ड एन एफआईआर. 5 लोगों को हमने डिटेन किया.
कई एरिया हैं जो एंक्रोचमेंट बढ़ती गई है वहाँ पर, और मैं बधाई देता हूँ एमसीडी को भी और बाकी तमाम डिपार्टमेंट्स को जिन्होंने एंक्रोचमेंट ड्राइव्स को लिया होगा. तो इसके ऊपर अगर कोई भी सरकारी उस पर इस तरह की पत्थरबाजी या कुछ करेगा, उस पर कानून के दायरे में जो भी एक्शन होगा सरकार एक्शन लेगी.
ये मामला काफी समय से माननीय हाई कोर्ट में चल रहा था और माननीय हाई कोर्ट के आदेश के बाद इस पर कार्रवाई की गई है और ये लगभग जो हमने कार्रवाई की 36,400 के ऊपर स्क्वायर फीट का जो एरिया था, जो अतिक्रमण था, उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई की गई है हमने. उसमें एक डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर था और एक बरातघर था जिसपे हमने कार्रवाई की. इसके सराउंडिंग में 2 मंजिला वॉल थी और उसमें स्ट्रक्चर 1 मंजिला स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ था. ये परमानेंट स्ट्रक्चर थे. हमें तोड़ने में काफी दिक्कत हुई रात में. इतनी मशीन के बावजूद भी कुछ एरिया अभी थोड़ा सा रह गया है और डिमोलिशन वेस्ट लगभग मुझे लगता है 250 से 300 ट्रक अभी यहाँ पर पड़ा हुआ है, जिसको उठाने में हमें थोड़ा समय लग जाएगा. देखिए, ये जो भी पार्ट इंक्रोच था ये रामलीला मैदान का पार्ट था और मस्जिद के पास जितनी जमीन थी, मस्जिद के पास उतनी जमीन सुरक्षित है. मस्जिद को बिल्कुल भी टच नहीं किया गया.
Delhi police have now begun identifying those involved in the stone pelting incident using body camera footage worn by police personnel as well as visuals from nearby CCTV cameras. Officials confirmed that an FIR will be registered in connection with the violence. Authorities maintain that the demolition drive was carried out strictly in compliance with the court orders, even as the situation on the ground remains sensitive.
Illegal encroachments around the Faiz-e-Ilahi Mosque near the Ramlila ground in the Turkman Gate area in the national capital was removed late in the night. And on the screen you can see the bulldozers are still on the work. They are removing the debris, and the operation was carried out in the early hours of Wednesday with around 17 bulldozers deployed to clear the encroachments. At least 5 police officers have sustained minor injuries in the incident. Now an FIR has been filed in the case and 5 people have been identified and detained so far. The Delhi police said that the identification of others involved in the stone pelting is underway, and they will be identified using body camera footage from the police officers and also footage from the nearby CCTV cameras. Meanwhile, demolition began. When the demolition began, a large number of people had gathered near the area. Now, the demolition drive, the anti-encroachment drive began by the MCD on the guidelines of the Delhi High Court by a division bench, which in fact had given an order that the encroachment needs to be removed around the area of Faiz-e-Ilahi Mosque here in the national capital. Meanwhile, there were several commercial buildings, a banquet hall, a dispensary, which has been removed last night. Now the situation became tense when a large amount of people started gathering, and when they breached the barricade and started pelting stones on the Delhi police. Now 5 of the Delhi police personnel have sustained minor injuries, but so far what we are getting is that 5 people have been identified and detained. Meanwhile, the Delhi police says that around 20 to 25 people were involved in the stone pelting, and they will be nabbed very soon. Meanwhile, heavy security deployment could be seen in and around the Turkman Gate area. Every single roads has been completely blocked. The Rapid Action Force, the Delhi police personnel, the CRPF, all are on ground. In fact, the Rapid Action Force is also visiting every single lane in the area to make sure that the law and order situation is on ground. But what is important to note that before the anti-encroachment drive was carried out by the MCD, before that several meetings in fact had taken place between the MCD officials and people from the Aman committee to make sure that when the anti-encroachment drive began, no untoward incident happens. But yesterday, there was stone pelting on the Delhi police. The anti-encroachment drive was carried around at 1 p.m. in the night. But at that particular time, the situation became tense when a group of people breached the barricade and started pelting stones on the Delhi police. With video journalist Pratap, this is Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary for News 9.
Meanwhile, Delhi Minister Ashish Sood has reacted to the incident as unfortunate, saying the action was carried out strictly under court orders against illegal commercial structures. Sood assured that the mosque is safe and warned of strict action against those who resort to violence.